Welcome back to another MiSys video with Brandout Consulting. Today we'll be talking about how to create security groups. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about setting up security groups. And what we're going to do here is we come into administration, we come up here to security groups, click new, and group ID, which is going to go here, and our description, which is going to go here. So today we're going to set it up for our tax accountant. So we're going to have this as tax account. Now what we can do here is we give our permissions. So set up basic access. We're going to give them basic access, and then we're going to come down here to tax services, and we're going to be able to allow them to modify down here. We can click this box and it'll click everything below it. We can give them other permissions as necessary, so let's also give them the ability to do reports. Alright, so then we can click save. Members, this auto populates just like anything else. Once we assign a member this security group, their name will show up here, and our default menu actually affects this over here. So if we deselect planning, purchasing, production, stock, master files, and we'll give them reports, accounting, administration, and we're going to save. What happens is it sets up a new security group. Then we can come here to users, we can select users, and we can give different users the permissions of the security groups, which is why you want to set them up first. And the last thing for security groups is only an administrator can set up a new security group. If this has been helpful for you, remember to like, share, subscribe, comment below, let us know what else we can help you with. Thanks.